Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I hope you had an amazing new year. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about Colgate Visible White toothpaste. I have been using this toothpaste for several years now. You can scroll down my older videos and see it pop up in so many videos. And for me, a dazzling smile is really important because it gives me so much confidence. It doesn't matter if I am wearing makeup or if I'm not wearing makeup, a smile changes everything. And for you to have a dazzling white smile, you can always try out Colgate Visible White toothpaste. So this is the Colgate Visible White toothpaste, and when you use this consistently for 1 week, you're gonna get one shade whiter teeth. And I like to use this 2 times a day, in the morning and in the night. I take a small pea-sized amount onto my brush and then brush for 2 minutes. This toothpaste has whitening accelerators, which really helps in safely exfoliating the stains in your teeth, and also helps in polishing the tooth surface and prevents any additional stain from forming on your teeth. And it also helps in fighting cavities and gives you a very fresh minty breath. There are other at-home remedies that you can do as well to naturally whiten your teeth, like rinsing your mouth with lemon water or apple cider vinegar, but I'm not really sure how safe they are for your enamel. But using this toothpaste, it is absolutely safe on your enamel, so you don't really get any sort of tooth sensitivity after using this. Especially for me, I have not faced any sort of sensitivity, even though I've been using this for like several years. And also I drink a lot of coffee, which tends to stain my teeth, and because of the whitening accelerator, the stains don't really form on my teeth anymore. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to talk about. I hope you guys are already using this. If not, you can try it using the link in my bio. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.